మీరు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారా? మీరు మంచి ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారా? అయితే హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ ఏపీపీఎస్సి, టీఎస్పీఎస్సి, ఎస్ఐ కానిస్టేబుల్, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఎస్ఎస్సి. 24/7 యాక్సెస్, ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ మొబైల్ యాక్సెస్. హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. Download the app and study materials our mobile app. Visit www.harshitinstitute.co.in. మీరు అనుకున్న జాబ్ ని సాధించండి. హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. సెల్ 9032200190, 9676525789. youtube.com Harshit Institute.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Dear students, today we are discussing about the most important events. These important events are according to our upcoming examinations. Just you have to follow what we are teaching today. Just you have to follow these important things we are discussing now. The first thing, recently the Forbes magazine released 100 most important celebrities and their earnings. This is the most important event. Yesterday it was happened. So recently the Forbes magazine, first of all, Forbes, Forbes magazine recently the Forbes magazine released 100 most important celebrities and their earnings. The first place is K. Jenner. The first place K. Jenner is the first person among 100 persons. Among the 100 persons, he is only the first person. He is the highest income earner in this year. International, he belongs to international model field. In India, okay, K. Jenner, his income is 4,453 crores. 53 crores. His income 4,453 crores. At the same time, in India, the first place is the Akshay Kumar. He stood on the 52nd rank in the worldwide. Internationally, he is the 52nd rank. Akshay Kumar is the 52nd rank in internationally, but in India, he is only the first person. And the second thing is, who is the Biocon CEO? Who is the Biocon CEO? The answer is Kiran Majumdar Shah. In this year, the 2020, this year, she got an award. Yesterday only it was announced. Yesterday, that means June 5th, it was announced. That is, what is the award? EY World Best Entrepreneur. EY World Best Entrepreneur Award she got in yesterday only. That's why we have to remember her name. It is very, very important in examination point of view. Kiran Majumdar Shah. She is the Biocon CEO. Next, how many countries are participated in this award competition? First of all, we have to remember all these things. Participated countries are 41. Total participated countries are 41 countries, and persons are 46 persons are participated in this competition. She got the first place. Among all these, she got the first place. Okay. Now previously in India, this award honored by two persons. The most important, she is the third person. Kiran Majumdar Shah is the third person. Previously in India, this award honored by the two persons. One is, the first person is Kotak Mahindra Bank CEO and MD Uday Kotak, and the second person, Infosys chairman, co-founder Narayana Murthy. These two persons got this award previously. She is the third person. So this is the most important event regarding this one. Next, the third issue, the third event. The third topic is who launched the Nagar Van scheme? Nagar Van scheme. The second one is Kiran Majumdar Shah. Kiran Majumdar Shah. And the third one we are discussing about that. Who launched the Nagar Van scheme? Nagar Van scheme. Nagar Van scheme. Nagar Van scheme. Who launched the Nagar Van scheme? The Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar, our Union Minister Prakash Javadekar launched the Nagar Van scheme. On occasion of Environmental Day, we know very well Environmental Day on June 5th. Environmental Day on June 5th. On the celebration of this Environmental Day, our Central Minister Prakash Javadekar launched this Nagar Van scheme. Nagar Van scheme. What is the key features of the Nagar Van scheme? What are the key features of the Nagar Van scheme? What is the purpose of the Nagar Van scheme? The Nagar Van scheme is, under the scheme, all over the country, around 200 urban forests are to be developed. The main theme is that one only. We have to remember this thing. What is the main theme of Nagar Van scheme? Nagar Van scheme, the importance of Nagar Van scheme is the most important thing. Under this scheme, all over the country, around 200 urban forests to be developed. This is the main aim of this scheme. So that is the Nagar Van scheme. Prakash Javadekar was launched yesterday only. On June 5th only it was introduced. So launched. Next, the fourth point and is important point. Where is the FEC headquarter? The most important point. The fourth one is where is AFC headquarter? See here, where is AFC? Asian Football Confederation. Here AFC means Asian Football Confederation. Asian Football Confederation headquarter, it is where it is located. The answer is Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. The headquarter of AFC, Asian Football Confederation. Its abbreviation also very, very important. Okay, why we are discussing about this AFC? What is the importance of AFC? The AFC, yesterday only on June 5th, the AFC confirmed that India will host the Asian Women Football Tournament in India. The AFC confirmed, it gave an order, AFC gave us a confirmation about you conduct the tournament in India. Asian Women Football Tournament. It's called Asian Women Football Tournament. So, in 2022, in India, the Asian Women Football Tournament will be conducted. The host country of this tournament is in India in 2022. The AFC gave a permission to AIFF. The AFC, it is very clear. AFC gave a permission to AIFF. AIFF. What is meant by AIFF? AIFF means All India Football Federation. AIFF means All India Football Federation. It belongs to India. AIFF belongs to India. AIFC belongs to total Asian countries. So here we got a permission to conduct the women football tournament in 2022. Yesterday only we got the permission, or India got the permission to conduct this tournament. So it is also most important event. Recently it was happened. So we have to remember all these things. And the fifth point is Now we are discussing the fifth point. Ambarnaya River. Where is Ambarnaya River? Where is Ambarnaya River? Where is Ambarnaya River? The Ambarnaya River is in Russia. It is in Russia. What is the importance of Ambarnaya River? Why we are discussing about this Ambarnaya River? Is there any specialty? Why we are discussing? Because Ambarnaya River is located near Arctic Ocean in Russia. In Russia, recently oil spilled into the river. That is the most important event was happened in Ambarnaya River in Russia. Recently oil spilled into this river. The river has drifted 12 kilometers on its surface since its leak. Since its leak, nearly 12 kilometers drifted. The river has drifted 12 kilometers on its surface since its leak. So the total on this river, it was one red layer was formed. What is the reason? Why it was happened? What is the reason? Near this river, one thermoelectric power plant is there. One thermoelectric power plant is there. Near which river? Ambarnaya River. One thermoelectric power plant. It is a very famous power plant in Russia. Power plant is there. Due to the climatical changes, because of maybe increase of temperature, the fuel tanks were damaged. So, because of that reason, the total oil was came out and it was spilled into the river. So, nearly 20,000 tons of diesel was lost. Nearly how much? 20,000. Nearly 20,000 tons. Nearly 20,000 tons of diesel was lost and river was totally spoiled. River was no fishing, no drinking water, no and cultivating water, nothing was there. So the Russian government declared the state emergency. Around this river. So this is the most important event was happened recently. So in our current affairs topic, it is also a very, very important Ambarnaya River incident in Russia. And the most important point, the sixth point, today is June 6th, and the sixth point and the June 6th. What is the importance of June 6th? We know very well June 5th, Environmental Day. June 5th is the Environmental Day. We know very well. But is there any importance for the June 6th? June 6th is also one importance is there. It is a Russian Language Day. Okay. It is a Russian Language Day. It is a Russian Language Day. We are celebrating, sorry, not we. Russians are celebrating the Russian Language Day. It was established by the UNESCO. On 2010. In 2010. From the 2010, the Russians are celebrating. The Russians are celebrating the Russian Language Day. It was proposed by the UNESCO. UNESCO means you know very well. UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. United Nations Educational and Scientific Cultural Organization. It is celebrating. It is one of the part in it in United Nations. So UNESCO is from 2010. Russian Language Day is celebrated on the birthday of Alexander Pushkin. A. Pushkin. His name is very, very important. A. Pushkin. Why the Russians are celebrating Russian Language Day? What is the importance of Russian Language Day? Why they are celebrating? Because of Pushkin, Alexander Pushkin. Alexander Pushkin. He was the great poet. Was a great poet in Russia. Was a great poet in Russia. Because of that one only, on the occasion of his birthday, is June 6th. The Russians are celebrating Russian language day is on June 6th. That is very, very important. Okay. Not only Russians, the UN was declared, UNO, United Nations Organization was declared June 6th is the Russians Day because of Alexander Pushkin's birthday. He was the great poet in Russia. Okay. Next point, Arabic language day. Some other language days we have to discuss today. Arabic language is December 18th. Arabic. Just to add to Arabic, December 18th. Arabic language day is December 18th. And English language day is April 20. And French language day, French, most important languages. French language day is March 20th. Next, we know very well that Russian language day is June 6th. So these are the important language days. One is Arabic, English, French and Russian. Arabic language day is December 18th. English language day April 20 and French language day is March 20. These all days are declared by the UNO, United Nations Organization, and UNESCO, United Nations Educational and Scientific Cultural Organization. These all days are declared by UNO. English April 20 and French language day is March 20 and Russian language, now we are discussed about this one, Russian language June 6th because of Alexander Pushkin's birthday. Alexander Pushkin was the great poet in Russia. That's why they are celebrating this language day. Okay. First of all, we are the most important events. We have discussed all these things. The Forbes magazine are declared 100 persons. Yesterday only on June 5th only, the Forbes magazine was declared 100 celebrities and their income and their priority. The first person is the highest income receiver is the K. Jenner. He is the first person and his income is approximately 4,453 crores. Is the amount. K. Jenner. In India, only one person, that is Akshay Kumar. Already we have discussed about him. Next, Kiran Majumdar Shah. Her importance is the worldwide best entrepreneur award she got yesterday only. The 2020 World Best Entrepreneur, who is Kiran Majumdar Shah. She was the CEO of Biocon, Chief Executive Officer. Next, Nagar Van scheme. The importance of Nagar Van scheme, already we discussed about all these things. And where is AFC? Asian Football Confederation. The AFC headquarter is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Next, why we are discussing about this AFC, Asian Football Confederation? Because it gave a permission to us means to AIFF, All India Football Federation. AIFF. So we got the permission, AIFF got the permission to conduct the women tournaments in 2022. Okay. Where is Ambarnaya River? Ambarnaya River is located in Russia. So we explained all these things. Why we are discussing about this Ambarnaya River means it was oil was split here. The last and final one, the June 6th. What is the importance of June 6th? What is the importance of June 6th? It is a Russian language day and because of A. Pushkin birthday. And the remaining Arabic language day December 18th, English April 20, French March 20 and Russian June 6th. Okay, these are the most important topics recently happened. So we have to follow all these things. The most very important. All these things are very important in examination point of view for upcoming examinations. Any exam, either DSC or Group 1, Group 2 or other constable and SI exams, all these exams, these current affairs are very important. The most important events are there. Just you have to follow and write your notes and follow all these things. Thank you very much.